Native and indigenous animals in Florida. Terms and definitions. Exotic species. Exotic species often refers to as alien, non-native, non-indigenous, or introduced species are those that occur in areas outside of their natural geographic range. Zoo animal. A zoo is a place where animals live in captivity and are put on display for people to view. Zoos contain wide varieties of animals that are native to all parts of the earth. Invasive species. An invasive species is an organism that causes ecological or economic harm to a new environment where it is not native. Native species. A species that normally lives and thrives in an ecosystem. This can include any species that developed with the surrounding habitat and can be assisted by or affected by a new species. Exotic/native animals in Florida. Corn snake species. Native to southeastern United States, thrives in humidity 20% to 60%, digs and climbs to consume prey like rodents, frogs, fish, and birds, etc. Called corn snake due to always having some type of yellow marking or a full yellow body. Non-venomous snake, the number one snake to own as a pet. Invasive species in Florida. Burmese python. Native to Southeast Asia, humans had them as pets and did not properly care for their food requirements, so they overgrew and were released into the wild. They consume wide ranges of animals that are crucial for the ecosystem. Nothing has been able to get rid of this animal besides human removal programs. They are a common pet until they reach 6+ feet, then humans release them. Native species affected by Burmese pythons. Florida panthers and alligators are slowly getting killed off by Burmese pythons, which is harming the ecosystems. These pythons are consuming these animals and decreasing their population. These pythons have disrupted so many ecosystems put in place by nature. Burmese pythons consume snakes like corn snakes that we talked about before. Invasive species in Florida. Lionfish. Native to Indo-Pacific regions, humans had them as pets and released them into the wild due to them getting bigger. They are upsetting the balance of coral reefs off the coast of Florida to the Caribbean. They prey on 70+ species of marine fish and invertebrates, very aggressive, territorial, and venomous. Native marine species affected by lionfish. Due to lionfish eating young yellowtail snappers, the size limit has increased to 12 inches. If the fish reaches over 12 inches, they must be left alone to reproduce. Nassau groupers are an endangered species that cannot be fished nor consumed in the United States. Lionfish are eating their young/eggs, so their population cannot increase. Parrotfish clean the sand to improve the ecosystems, but they are getting consumed faster than they can reproduce. Lionfish are destroying the ecosystem's balance.